morning, everyone. Shall we start? Start a new page. Online students started in this one, guys. Good morning, everyone. Online students. Ragini Mandap. Please start reading this one. Guys, I'll explain the concept on screen. So guys, we'll do a small discussion what we have done last time. Last week, whatever we have done and how much you have studied. So how many people have done the revision, guys? Have you revised file number 4, data import export? Have you confidence how to take a subset?
Yes, sir.
LOC and ILOC. Confidence on how to export data. Second part. Are you confident how, for example, let's say, how to identify duplicate rows and how to delete? How to delete a column, how to delete a row, how to delete a duplicates.
No, sir.
So guys, just want to know how much time you spend for the study every day. Can you give me the number, please?
1 hour.
30
Kiran,
minutes, sir.
Kiran. So guys, minimum you have to give 1 hour. Okay,
1 hour for Python and 1 hour for SQL.
then good. If you shuffle like this, it's very good. What happened when we are in Python, 1 hour is sufficient. Okay. When we are in SQL for 1 hour is sufficient. As I said, one topic, 1 hour is max. Do not sit beyond 1 hour on daily basis. Don't do this weekly. Does not make any improvisation for you. Second, guys, my suggestion, for example, you're learning Python. You given 1 hour. Then just make a list. I understand this part. Make a list. I understand this function. Its function is benefit for me. So every day when you keep on learning something, it's the improvisation for you. Clear. Ragini, how much time you spent? Vallabh, Swapnali.
And half hour.
Half an hour will not make any impact.
1.5 hour for Python and 1.5 hour for SQL.
Okay, good. Too good. So guys, minimum you have to spend 2 hours is by default for everyone. Why I'm saying 2 hours, guys? Because tomorrow when you start working on machine learning or you go for your assessment or for your test, you will find it difficult for yourself. So make sure at least you keep on practicing what we have done. Suggestion for everyone, start practicing on for loop, while loop, def function, remember? Lambda function. These are very important topic, guys, in future for you. I've teach you for loop, while loop, def and lambda also, I believe.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there is one more now. Then we have if statement also, if you remember. If statements, else if, then nested if. So guys, these are the topics which is very important in industry point of view, I'm saying. Also for any interview or any industry works. This 6 will be very critical role for you. Means every time you have to use for yourself. So guys, please practice on this. And for everyone, for your assessment, for your examination, for your upcoming test. I think this week you will be having a test. It's updated prior.
Yes,
On
sir.
on the 1st or 30th, you will have your LMS test. The way you have given for SQL, same way you will have for your Python.
Which
Will
day,
it clear?
sir?
On the 1st, you will be having examination. So you have 5 days to study, including today. Till you're clear? Any questions? Online students, any question, please?
Sir, I have a question. Like
Yes.
how to practice more questions, like
Practicing Python, you're saying, or practicing SQL?
both, sir, Python and
For
SQL.
SQL, I've given you HackerRank now.
Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry. Python, I was about to ask you.
Okay. For if you're talking about Python, my suggestion: first, study only my codes.
Okay.
Second, you can take the help of HackerRank if you want.
Okay.
This is if condition. Okay. For my suggestion, first study only my codes. Once you're confident on my codes, then you go for HackerRank.
Okay.
And second, guys, also practice what is there on LMS. LMS give you a hint what type of questionnaire will be coming in examination. The LMS practice is mandatory for you. The first practice of class, what we have done. Second practice of LMS. Then both, if you are confident on LMS and class, if you're confident, then you can go for HackerRank.
Sir, it's like first we need to download the file and upload in Drive for the exam.
Yes. For examination, how you have to get examination of LMS, Utkarsh ma'am will guide you.
Okay.
Because she is our head for taking examination and guiding for you. I'm not aware
Sir,
of that.
one more question. Like I missed
Yes.
SQL exam, sir. So again, when it will be like for me, SQL?
For Anisha, you have not given the examination, correct?
No, sir.
And Kiran, you also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For you two people, suggestion, please contact Utkarsha ma'am. She will be a good person to guide you.
Sir, actually, I asked her, but she told me to take confirmation from you, like
Okay,
when
from me.
it will be.
So, okay, from me, then when you are ready for yourself.
So she said to me before 30, please give exam.
You have to give examination on 29. Will be fine for you? Or 28?
Okay, sir. SQL, no, sir.
SQL 1, I'm asking.
Okay.
My
Okay, sir.
suggestion for you both, if you give on 28, will be better. Okay? Because
Okay,
to
sir.
study Python, you require 2 days.
Okay, sir.
Anisha, Kiran, clear fix for this date?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Well, forward message to Utkarsha ma'am.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Any other students remaining for the test, guys, for the SQL 1? Obey. Okay. Have you given SQL test? आपने SQL test दिया? Yes or no? SQL test, LMS. Have you given the test? When you want to give? In this week, you have to give a test. Okay, 28,
Sir,
I have given a date for Anisha and Kiran. For
Sir,
Kiran,
one more doubt, sir. As I said, you like I'm using Mac laptop, so will you please help me out to download MySQL?
okay, I'll do it today after the lecture.
Sure, sir.
I thought you have done with the YouTube. If then what I will do, I'll make a flow chart like a PDF file and send to you. Can you do like this way, or should I do?
Yes. No, sir. You send me PDF. I'll do it by own.
Okay. So Kiran, Anisha, and Obed, 28 of this month, you have your SQL test.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then SQL is fixed for Python. Python will be on the first, but I will confirm the date with Utkarsha ma'am. One, you can consider the date for yourself. First, I'll discuss with the ma'am whether LMS is ready for the test or not. Once it is ready, you will have test on first. Python test on first of LMS, not a classroom one. This is the date of LMS only for 3 people. Clear, Vallabh?
Yes, sir. Sir, हमारी जो sir, hello, sir.
Yes. Yeah, I'm
Sir,
listening.
our SQL exam didn't happen on LMS. It was like email and PDF format. Where
No, same way. You will get in your PDF file. You solve in your query in your software portal. Then whatever answer you get, that code you have to submit, I think. If your code is correct, by default, you get a solution. You get a marks. For me, guys, for stepwise, there is no marks. You write entire code correct, you get a marks. It is not like a marks. You write half code correct and half code wrong. Entire thing is correct, you get a full, otherwise 0. So did you receive the marks?
No, sir.
Okay, let me talk with the customer. You may receive it this week. Max to max, I think. Guys, whatever hint I have given you today, please make sure you study and utilize each and every point. On screen, there is a package called as NumPy. Okay. If you are aware, I have teach you a package which is called as Pandas. Agree? What is the use of Panda, guys? Data frame, data manipulation, and smaller data analysis also. Or data frame, I call data analysis, data manipulation. After Pandas, what we have? What is the use of these two ways? Perfect data visualization. Any other package we have explored? sklearn. sklearn applicable only for specific one topic, which is for label encoder, which is used for the rest of one type of numbers format label. It is used for. And now we are exploring a new package called as NumPy. NumPy works on array used for arithmetic operation or calculation. Till you clear, guys? Do we have to write again or we remember by default? If you do practice one time, 2 times, no need to write. It is rememberable. कि plot करना है, see, ball metal plot. Machine learning, we not started currently. So sklearn you can skip for some point. Then NumPy, which is for array and calculations. You have to make yourself by heart this, which come from practice only. If you want to write in by heart, that is also fine. Okay. Now let's see. We are importing NumPy as NP. Then I say NP dot array. We have numbers 10, 20, 30. I'm assigning as A. Then I check type of A and I say A dot shape. What is the data type, guys? NumPy, and it is a array and shape is 3. Guys, if we write comma index before comma, row after comma, column. So how many rows we have? 3. I say print index start from where? 0, 0, 1, 2 is the index number starting. If I say A of 0, perfect. So if I say A of 0, so A of 0 is nothing but 10. I'm replacing 10 by 5. I can also replace by 15. So can I say it is array is ordered, array is changeable? Agree. So array can be is order format always, and array can be changeable. So here we have only one line which is called one dimension. Let's see the another one. NP dot array. I've taken one square bracket, comma second square bracket, then one bracket. It gives you a matrix format. So 2 rows, 3 columns. Clear? So array is nothing but the higher dimension is a matrix. What is the shape, guys? 2 cross 3. Agree? If I say you, okay, in a matrix, what is the first row start from? This one. First column, 0. So 0 row, 0 column. What is the number? 1. 0 row, second column. 0 from here, third from here. First row, first column. Same property we have over there, which we have in pandas, guys. Before comma row, after comma columns. Clear? If I write like this way, 0, 2 means clear. Easy. Shubham. Now 3 dimension. So when I keep on increasing the dimension, okay, if you can see, the matrix size become 3 cross 3. So guys, whenever we write array, np.array means we will write the data. We will enter the data in array. Okay. So here matrix size is 3 cross 3. I say print first comma 2. What is the number? Second row, second column, interact at 9. Clear? Any question? If I say easy. Next. Same with this one. First row, first column. I've written this one, guys. Okay. I say import. You have to just write one time, guys. Do not write multiple times. Okay. In a sheet, only one time. Okay. NP stands for numpy. I want to make all values 0. Matrix size 2 by 2. You can take 3 cross 3 also, guys. See, 3 cross 2 or 3 cross 3. So can you see all the numbers in a matrix are 0? So here I have not used array. Yes, I have used 0. So by default data will become 0 for you. We print and we check the shape. What should be output for this? NP 1s. All number has to be 1. Matrix size can I take 3 by 2. Here I have taken as NP dot full. The matrix size 2 by 2. All number has to be 5. Here we give manual numbers. NP dot I means diagonal element. If you can see, people who do the basic of maths, okay, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So wherever we have a 1, this is called as a diagonal. Okay, so I means create a diagonal element. Matrix size 4. So 4 cross 4. This is called identity matrix. If I take 3, clear? Okay. I'll open Excel file to show you one experiment. We have written np dot random. Okay. Let's say there's a function in Excel called as rand. Okay. this function have given the numbers between 0 to 1, any random numbers. They're in order format. Any ascending order we have in this number? Descending. Can we call it random? Okay. Same way, if you want to generate any random numbers in Python, we use random. Metric size. If I say 3 by 2, if you can see all the numbers is between 0 to 1. Next. Okay. NP dot arrange. So I have to arrange something starting from 0 and go up to 30. And after every steps means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, every fifth element I have to pick up. It is known as step size. 0 I pick up, then I pick up 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Guys, why not 30? 0 till 29. Till you're clear. Next. NP stand for numpy. I say line space 0 to 5. Let me give an example how it works. Run between, I say any numbers between 1 to 5. Possible 2. Possible any numbers. So can I say all the numbers are coming between 0 to 5 only? So you can generate n number of numbers, guys. This way. Same way, I want number between 0 to 5. Now how many numbers I need? 7. Are we getting a 7 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I say I need 10 numbers, if you can see all the numbers are between 0 to 5. Starting from 0, stop at. No, we find equidistance. It's a random format. Equidistance will become uniform. Pick up 2, 4, 6, 8, a proper equidistance. I believe you have done this one also. Okay. NP dot array. What is the difference between array and one, guys? Array means one means it will give you all the values. We just have to give the matrix size. If you want to give array, means here we have to enter data manually. Clear? So we make one original data which is called as array. Okay. Then I reshape. How many matrix I need? 2 matrix. Matrix size has to be 2 rows, 3 columns. Reshape is to split the data. As I said, two matrix I need. So 2, and the matrix size is 2 rows, 3 columns. Can you see we have 2 rows, 3 columns into separate matrix? So reshape is for break. But how it breaks? 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4, 5, 2. First break. Second break 4, 2, 1 and 2, 0, 1. Clear? Easy, guys. Then we have flatten. Guys, flatten layer is we use mostly in artificial intelligence. Okay. NP dot array, which have number 1, 2, 3, and we have 4, 5, 6. I'm assigning in R. What is the matrix size? 2 by 3. Array is my R is my I array at A. This A I cannot do flatten. Flatten means single column. See. This was the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you cannot do a single array. So flatten means convert into a single array. Written this one. Written this.
So line spacing is available, I mean applicable for each and every dimension or any particular dimension?
Which one?
The
Line
above one which you explained, yeah.
It's only for any dimension. It depends how much data you. If I say I need 100, it will give you 100. So your dimension doesn't matter. It's matter how many values you need.
Okay, sir.
Is write this one. I explain this in the one line because they're interrelated. and everyone. Shall I explain? Is what is the matrix size over here? 4 cross 3, 3 rows and 4 columns. Anyone can explain what we're doing over here? Zero to 2 or 0 to 1? 0 to 2, okay. Then after comma, column. What is the column sequence you're saying? 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So can I say we're talking about this one? The range, the rules of ranges is take n minus 1. We say 0 to 1, 0, and 1. Column starting from 1 till 2. N minus 1 property is valid over here. The answer is 2, 3, 6, 7. Next. This is 0, 1. 0, 1. What is the answer? Start from 0, stop one level before. 0 to 1. So it will take 0, this one, 1. This is for column, no? I'll take a screenshot and explain you once. So you think like this way, this is 0 row. 0 rows. If I say the condition, start from 0 till 2, 2n minus 1, the last one. So it become like this way. Become 0 to 1. So you have to read this row and this row. If I say column number 1 and 3, 1, 2, 2, where they interact at this point. Agree? That data will be taken. 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 3, 6, 7. Next, I have taken from A 0 to 1, which is nothing but for me in our case. 0 to 1 is double is 2, and replacing is 2 by 77. So you can work on small dimension, you can work on large dimension, you can work on crores of dimension also. Property remains same. I've made a matrix of 3 cross 4. I say A colon 2. After comma, specify all the columns. It will become only the second one. Then 1 to 2. Starting from 1, stop before level 1. And before 2 is n minus 1 to 2 minus 1 become as 1. We're talking about only one row. And we check the shape. Next, if I say colon, before comma is all, after comma is 1. This indicates only first column, 2, 6, 10. If I say second column, 3, 7, 11. Let's cross check. Do we get anything for second column? Oh, so sorry. Yeah, na? 3, 7, 11. Now I specify A. Before comma means all the rows. After comma, I specify from 2 onwards. Let's say from 1 onwards. So 1 till end. Starting from 1, go up to till all. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, all the rows. If I say start from 2, what should we answer? 3, 4, this one. Start from 3, third, second column, go up to all the columns. Then we can check the shape. Clear? Iti? I believe we have written this one also. We make an array. Okay. I say what I make this as A. Whatever we have in A, 0 row, third column. What is the number? 0 row, third column. 4. First row, second column. First row, 6. Very good. Second row, first column, 0. Then third row, first column, 3. Again, same number, 4, 6, 0, 3. Next, for the Boolean, let's say this is our A. This is the data we have. Anywhere we have negative numbers, guys? Where we have? There are 3 negative numbers. I say whatever we have in A value has to be greater than 0. Make as a con. That con, I'm checking condition in A and making a temp for you. See, all the numbers greater than 0 we have taken. Rest other has removed. When you write a condition, it's become the flattened line. That number has been deleted, but if we do not consider only. All the negative numbers is not taken only. We have ignored this. Okay. Cross check, have you written this one? Arithmetic operators written? No. Write this. Write everyone this one. Neither scroll down, get this one. They are interrelated, this topic. Done everyone till you? Guys, if you're done, suggestion take a break. After break, I'll teach you. Online students, if you're done till you, take a break. After break, I will teach you.
Sir?
Guys, shall we start? On screen. Here we're doing a basic arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operation means plus, minus, divide. So any calculation is possible on array. I've taken first an array for you. Every array I'm doing addition with 1. The 1 plus 1 become as 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 5 plus 1, 6, 3 plus 1, 4. You can see the output over here. Second, I have written a minus 3. Each and every number minus 3, the 1 minus 3 is how much? Minus 2. I'll be getting minus 2. Same way we have done calculation for everyone. 5 minus 3 become only 2. 3 minus 3 become as 0. You can also multiply by any numbers. I have multiplied by 10. So 1 become 10, 2 become 20, 5 become 30, 50, 3 become 30 for you. Double multiplicative means, single means guys, multiply. Double means square. So each and every value we're doing a square. 2 square, 4, 5 square, 25, 3 square, 9. Power, the raised to. Okay. Next we have taken as a multiplied by 2. Either you write like this way, or guys you write a into 2. The meaning is same. We're just multiplying a value by 2. We can multiply, we can do addition, we can do subtraction, we can take power, okay? And also we can transform. So what is the meaning of transpose, guys? If I give you this type of numbers, example. So if you have numbers, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. If this is your matrix, transpose means 1, 2, 3, 4. So we convert data from this way. This is called transformation, or we call transpose. So first I make A is 3 cross 3, which is this matrix which we have. I convert this matrix by A dot T, which is your transpose matrix. So 1, 4, 3, which is your row. So 1, 2, 3, which is your row, become column. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, which is the row, which becomes column for you. Clear? Next we have uni operators. I believe we have written this also. Guys, here we have a slight change in functionality. If I give you a matrix, if I give you a data frame, okay, and you work on pandas, okay, using a pandas package, and this is a data frame which you have. Okay, these are column names. Okay, and these are rows, and these are columns. If you want to access column, what is the access for this? 1, and for row, 0. This way, our Panda package works. But in NumPy, it is opposite. In NumPy, if you want to access column, we write access as 0 for column, and for row, access as 1. Clear, guys? Let's see how it works. We make an array, which is 3 cross 3. I say add dot max. Give me the maximum value of this. What is the max value, guys? 9. So we should get answer as 9. Let's see. Are we getting 9? Next, give me air max, will give the maximum value, access 1. Access 1 means row. In the first row, what is the max value? Second row, third row. Answer should be 6, 7, and 9. Let's see. Now access 0. Access 0 means column. I want to find minimum. Column wise, what is the minimum value? 1, 1, 2. Answer will be 1, 1, 2. Can you see 1, 1, 2? Next, you have to find sum of all, access of array of sum. It will sum all the elements. Everything will be sum for you and printed. We get something as 30. Till you are clear? Access 1 means, guys, 1 means row. So slide people get confused sometime in data frame and pandas. Remember pandas, data frame numpy is opposite. Okay. If I say air is my data, I want to cumulative. I want to do sum. Access 1 means row wise. 1, 1 plus 5, 6 plus. Let me take a snipping and explain you, become better. One remain 1. 1 plus 5 will become as 6. Then 1 plus 5 plus 6 become how much? 12. Same 4 remain as it is. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 3, 4, 13. This will be the output for you guys. This is called cumulative. One, 6, 12, 4, 11, 13, 1, 6, 12, 4, 11, 13, and 3, 4, 13. Got the point? So you have to do cumulative row wise also, and we can do column wise. If you have to do column wise, then 0. This will done for you column wise. Clear? You just have to change the access. Function remain same. I've written this one. Guys, write this one. Done, everyone? Done, everyone? Okay. We'll start the explanation. We done till we did this one, no? The row sum. Okay. Working on the binary one, guys. Here we have to do a multiplicative additions of two lab systems. Let me write the name. I'm just changing the screen, guys. We have taken a matrix of 1, 2, 3, 4. Second matrix is 4, 3, 1, 2, 1. If we do addition, so we have to do sum of each and every one. So 1 plus 1 become 5, 5, 5, 5. This should be answer for addition. Each element from their side, okay, we will get sum with this one. Then 2 plus 3. This way it works, guys. For every element, it gives up sum for you. Next, we have multiplication. We're just multiplying two matrices. The way it's multiplied, it's 1 4s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, and 4 1s are 4. This is your normal multiplication of element wise. Normally, if you do in engineering or any maths, we multiply row with column. So 4 into 1 plus 2 into 2 is how much? 8. First row, first column. First row, second column. 1 into 3 plus 2 into 1 is how much? 5. Same way now. Second row, first column. 3 4s are 12 plus 4 2s are 8. So this become 12 plus 8, which is approximate 20. Then next one, 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 4. This should be the matrix multiplication. That is element multiplication, and this one is matrix multiplication. So for element, we use A into B. For matrix multiplication, we write A dot B. Same number 8 5 2013. Clear. So A into B is give you element wise. For entire matrix multiplication, we have to use dot. Next, here we have universal function. We have taken an array. Okay, first I'll explain you the square root one, become more easy. 0 square is 0. 16 square root, 4 square root, 3 square root, 9 square root, 3. So NP stands for numpy, algebraic square root of A. You can see 0, 4 to 1. Next, guys, we have exponential. If you remember, we do like this way. Either you work in Excel or either you work in any platform. Exponential of, let's say, 16 is how much? 888 6110. Exponential of 0 is how much? 1. So we are taking just a exponential of every numbers. So see, we have 1. Same way we have 888 611052, which is e raised to plus 0, and so on. Exponential square root we use many times, guys, in analysis. Okay. Moving forward for sorting. Yes. This reverse slash n is used to get the output at the bottom. Next line. Can you see? Along with comment, output should come on the next line. If I did not write this one, it will come on same line. Clear, guys? Next question. This is the array we have made as an A. Say np dot sort. How many methods we have run, guys, in sorting? Ascending and descending. A stands for data access 0. I've not given any access, either row or a column. So it will, like, by default random ascending order. So from -1 till 6. By default ascending. Now when I specify the format, how I need to sort? Do I need data row wise or column wise? Access 0 means column. Prior access 0 is np dot sort A access 0. Let me run this first. Okay, if you can see, we get 0, we get 1, we get 2. Okay, once again, I've written this as 0, 1, 3. Access 0 means in pandas we have row ke liye 0, column ke liye 1. This is a way for data frame. People get confused, it's okay, normal. And for NumPy, it's become row. So what I specify access 0. 0 means column wise. Okay. So column is 1, 3, 0. Which come first? 0, then 1, then 3. For the second one, -1, 4, 4. Then 2, 5, 6. This confusion may happen. Next, same way if you would want to do for column wise, okay, we have row wise, you will take this as 1. Ascending is false. Let's run for your row wise. So column wise, row wise depends on the analysis. You have to write. This is row wise. And this is column wise. Clear, guys? Same thing. If you write mustard, then you put write 0 only. It's okay, it's remove this. This to avoid confusion, we use this one. Easy one. Don't make confusion because 0, 1 is already a confusion. Okay. Clear. Is this we furnish your NumPy package? So I teach you pandas, I teach you Seaborn, I teach you Matplotlib. Then also I teach you NumPy. I just want you to cross check. Have you written this one or not? This type of plot? I don't think so.
No, sir.
Okay. Write this. It's two plots only, max to max, 2 or 3. This is a higher version of plots. Okay. Just write this faster in a new page. Scroll down. Guys, write one time and copy paste. You just keep on adding the combinations. Guys, I'm giving a reminder for you. Make yourself, you practice your in class and come tomorrow. So tomorrow is your doubt solving. Plus also will complete the activity of in class. And Wednesday will be your Python assessment. I think you have received an email also.
So,
Thursday, yes.
so please मुझे वो PDF भेज दे क्या sir MySQL के लिए?
PDF for MySQL I don't have. I
No,
have
no, no. Like how to download and
I'm saying that only.
steps.
For MySQL I don't have. I have to make for you.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. I thought you have that.
I don't have. I don't use MySQL in my office also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'll make for you, and by today evening I'll send you by 4 or 5 o'clock.
Sir, actually, I have one more doubt. Like coming to the professional, I mean, in corporate way, SQL would be the same thing, or
Same thing.
there in
The same software we use in office.
okay.
The software which I'm showing you currently, which I'm teach you in classroom also. Same software, same version I use in office.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir, I have one more doubt.
Yes, please.
सर ऑपरेटर्स हमने पहले भी पाइथन बिगनिंग में करे थे ना लाइक
That
लिस्ट
is
ऑफ
yes.
ऑपरेटर्स
Yes, this is in within NumPy operators.
या सो वो ऑपरेटर्स और ये अभी जो
Same
हम
है.
लोग करे
Calculation remains same.
सेम बट इन द बट सर द क्वेश्चन व्हेन दे आस्क वहाँ पर रिकॉग्नाइज कैसे करना है कि पहले ऑपरेटर्स यूज करना है या अभी जो हम लोग पढ़े वो वाला
They will give you in a questionnaire. It depends on data. If they say they give you a normal data, a data frame, you use prior one. When they give you array, data in array, you have to use this one.
ओके 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 सर थैंक यू सर
Both are different things. So guys, tomorrow, before coming for a session, make sure you solve your in-class activity and solve and come. Guys, if you're done till here, we can stop. Okay. If you're done till 1 year also, we can stop. Friday or Thursday? This Friday. So we just completed around 99%.
So you're not audible. So
Saying done for the day, we can stop now. So done for the day, guys. We can stop now.
सर आज का नोट्स भी ड्राइव में है ना लाइक
Yes, yes, I'll upload now.
ओके ओके